Hello guys, once again, my name is Lance and welcome to Dark Souls. Alright, so what we have for today is we'll be going on and moving on with the story. Just for the recap, we've been dropped down here by a hawk or a raven or an eagle to this place, and we got a bonfire here and this Undead. I believe he's a hollow too, but let's just check it out.
What? You want to hear more? Oh, that's all we need. Another inquisitive soul. Well, listen carefully then. One of the bells is up above in the Undead Church, but the lift is broken. You'll have to climb the stairs up the ruins and access the Undead Burg through the waterway. The other bell is back down below the Undead Burg, within the plague-infested Blight Town. But I'd die again before I step foot in that cesspool.
Okay. Alright, so I believe we're supposed to ring a bell. And based on the direction provided by that guy, let's take on what's up there. Okay. Okay, we got an item here. Alright. Initially, as I go on to this place, I was able to get one humanity. And as you can see, we don't look like hollow now. We are more human. I believe that humanity part is indicated on that circle. On the upper left corner of your screen, that's one. That's one humanity I've used. And we just pick up 3 points more humanity with this dead corpse. Okay. Okay, let's check out this part. What do we have? There's not gonna be another boss fight here, right? Okay. Oh, there's a reading. Okay. Fire bombs. Awesome. There's some kind of an armament to be thrown. Fire bombs. Okay, let's take a read. What is this? Oh, there's someone on there. Oh, a gesture. Okay. Oh, awesome. Alright, so we now have the gestures. Jesus Christ. Okay. We got a point. You. Alright. Awesome. And we got this. Alright, well that's awesome. Okay. I thought we do not have that in this game. So we got company here. I don't know if it's gonna be a hostile, but I can point it out with my reticule. Reticule. Okay, let's check it out.
Hello there. I believe we are not acquainted. I am Petrus of Thoroland. Have you business with us? If not, I'd prefer to keep a distance, if possible.
Oh. Okay.
Hello there. I realize that I have requested that we retain our distance, but I also want you to know that it is not meant in ill will. Here, take this, as a token of peace. No, go ahead. It's for you.
Copper coin. Okay.
Oh my. You again. Oh, I know. How about this? I have to await my companions here anyway. So what if I were to teach you some miracles? Would that please you?
Oh, that's awesome. Okay. Of course, yes.
Very well. Then first, a covenant with the gods.
Join covenant. Okay. Well, since I prepare of doing good, I'm gonna join this.
share my miracles. Only their ultimate effectiveness will be determined by your efforts and your faith.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay. Shrug. Okay. Oh, so it's a shop too? Okay, well that's awesome. And how do we do this? Quite expensive. A talisman. Okay.
My companions are Milady and her young knights. She is young, but burdened by an undead mission. We are her defenses, to keep her from harm.
Oh, okay. That's awesome.
Come again. The effectiveness of the teachings depend upon your faith.
Oh, okay. So, I believe when it comes to fate, miracle spell, that requires something as well. When it comes to being a pyromancer, it requires us to have this flame. I believe with the miracles, they also got that. There might be some kind of like a trinket, I think. I don't know. Do we have spells for the miracles? Let's check it out. What do we have? Okay. Right. Cyanide shots. Okay. By the way, on this part of the game, let me show you. Okay. See what's up there? Oh, we might die. Okay. Better be careful, guys. Okay. So on this part, let me show you just up ahead. You may be able to like farm for souls and equipments because on this part, let me just kill them. Okay. I'll burn you. Wait. Okay. And you? Oh, especially that one with the sword and shield. It is able to provide a good subs too. Come and take a look with my new stuffs here. I already got this short swords and a long swords. I prefer using the long swords, but at the moment we'll be sticking on with the hand axe because there are some parts upstairs that's quite tight, and a long sword is much vulnerable of deflecting against walls. So I preferred using the hand axe for the meantime. And I was also able to practice my melee here in this spot, so better do it too. Won't regret it. Same time that you do farming, you got one enemy in there, and it just jumped. Okay. All right. So when purchasing those items, they're quite expensive. That's 10,000 souls. Jesus. Okay. Lost souls. Right. Okay. Since we do not have souls yet, let's just come back when we have some. Oh my god! Okay. Well, that was fast. Good lord, are you going to kill us? Okay. Got some stuffs here too. Souls. Okay. Wow. And we got... Is that a bug? I mean a rat. Okay, it's a rat. Oh my god, okay. Take this! Fireball! Really awesome fireball. We got a corpse here. What do you have? Lost souls again? Okay. Alright, maybe we can now try using... by the way, when it comes to weapons, there are some requirements that must be met in order for you to use this kind of stuff. Like with the long swords, highlight the long swords and press the square button, and that will give you the idea of what about that long sword is, and will show you, okay, some information about it. Long swords, weapon type, straight sword. It does regular and thrust attacks. Why do you stand the straight sword? Only match with ubiquity by the short sword. An accessible sword which inflicts consistent regular damage at high slash damage. So this is more on slash. Name applicable to a variety of situations. Of course, that's why I prefer this. Okay, so we now have the long swords. Okay. You can just go back and forth to this area. Oh, might have missed something. Okay. Nope. Right. Okay, let's head on. Okay. Oh my god, okay. You move quick. Snitch. And you? Good lord. Okay. What can you do? I'm gonna backstab you. Okay. That's a critical hit. Wow, that's awesome. See? All you have to do is come back here for a few times and you'll be getting stumps. Okay. Oh my god. Good lord. That was some sort of a charging attack. Okay. What do we have here? Okay. What are these stuff? Okay. Nothing else. And we got... okay. If it's gonna be another boss fight, please guys bear with me. Okay, we better check out the other places. Oh, okay. Got something down there. Let's check that. Is there like a way for us to go back? Good lord. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, okay. Hey. Can we go there? Alright. How do you get there? Alright, so... Alright, when we fall to this, we'll be heading on that part and that small bridge and then go back and then to the ladder. Go back here, okay? So, I think we can go back. Okay, good lord. Bear with me. Alright. Large soul, okay. Are we supposed to fall again? Okay. Oh, good lord, here we go. Alright. Oh my god, okay. That was fast. And I got 2 hits. Jesus Christ. Alright. Take it easy. Okay, let's take it easy. Oh, alright. What is this place? Oh my god. The place is so tricky. Good lord. Is like that an enemy? Okay, got an item. Souls again. Okay. Jesus Christ. And this is blocked, so we can't go up. We cannot go up. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. This is where we came from. There's a stairs here. We might fall. Okay. Nothing else around here. Moving on. Okay. Okay. So what do we have in there? Okay. I ought to like readying my shield because there might be like some archers that can hit you. It's not that strong, but it's better be safe. Okay. What do we have? Oh, spirit chill. Okay. This is where we came from. Okay. Oh, good lord. Don't do this. Don't go. Oh my god. There's so many of them. Jesus Christ. Okay. Rubbish. Awesome. Okay. What else do we have? Okay. That is where we came from. Okay. Oh, there's a way down there. Where is that? Oh, we like just have to fall to it. I guess it's not a... Okay. We can check that out later. Okay, so we're moving forward. I believe we're gonna need to enter that mist. Okay. Oh, there's an item here too. Okay. Humanity. I would prefer to have my humanity. If you're being hollow fight, I believe you. It's like allowing yourself to purely be on the bad sides, being an undead. But I believe it's not preparing to you being bad. It's just with your appearance, I believe. But in my end, I would stick to being human as much as I can. Alright, so here we go. We are about to enter this. And again, if it's gonna be another boss fight, guys, please just bear with me, okay? I'll do my best. Okay, let's check it out. Hope you're with me, guys. Let's do it. Let's do it. Good lord. Okay. Right. It's cleared. Okay. Hey, Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay, we got an item. Alright, suppose you're gonna need to get up. And I can hear footsteps too. On my right ear. There might be up there. Okay. Are we supposed to jump over? We might die. But I believe we can do it. That's a secret location. Secret room, I think. Okay, let's check it out. Let's us do the jumping thing. Oh, good lord. Okay. Alright, that was quite awesome. I can do it one more time. I'm not able to see the end of... Okay. I know I can do this. I think we can't reach it at this time. We can check that out later. They're like some sort of stair. It's broken. Okay. I believe we can jump to it. It's just my I can't accurately do the jumping thing yet. Let's try it one more time. If it's not gonna work, then it's not gonna work at the moment. Oh my god, okay, what was that? Okay. Is there like something going on? Okay, we got company. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Ready to die? See what happened to you? Okay. That's a short sword. Okay. Good lord. There's okay. There's a ladder down there. Okay, let's check this out. I can pick you up one by one, and we got another item. Oh, that's an armor. Okay. You're blocking my attack. Jesus. Okay. A few more. Oh, that's an archer. Jesus Christ. You're not gonna hit me. Okay. Come on. Do your hit. I'll do parry. It didn't work. Okay. Alright. I'm really bad at parrying attacks. You're gonna need to go down. But I'll be able to destroy it. Okay. This door, oh, can open it. Okay. Alright. There's another one here. Oh. A wooden shield. Oh, that's a fine shield. I can hear footsteps. Good lord. Okay. Oh. You close it and then you go out again. Can you like get in and then close the door? Jesus Christ. Okay, so we can do it that way. Okay, so that's just how it goes. Let's equip the good shield. Let's check it out. Okay. Well. Okay. This weight's like 1.5. I think that's the weight. Oh, this is much better. Its physical absorption is 100%. I should go this. I should go with this. Okay. Right. And now you, Archer, you're going down. We got other companies. Okay. No. Told you you're going down. We got companies down there, okay? Alright, let's take them down. Lord. Okay. I was not able to check you out. This is a heavy swordsman. By the way, and it's using a spear. Jesus Christ. Okay. We are in a good location for a fight. Hey, how are you doing? I'm gonna backstab you. If you're not gonna perform well, I will backstab you. Told ya. That's how you do the backstabbing. Oh, that's a spear. Awesome. We can try that out. And you, I'll backstab you too. That's just easy as 1, 2, 3. Fighting this type of enemies are pretty easy. So, for sure you'll be able to get by with the game. Okay. What do we have? I don't want to roll. Oh my god, okay. Jesus Christ. That was a surprise, okay. So what do we have here? lord. Okay. Oh, there's someone. Oh my god, I thought you're not hostile. Good lord. That's just my trusting move. See it? Okay. Something else here? Okay. What else? Oh, is that like a merchant? You can check it out.
Well now, you seem to have your wits about you, hmm? Then you are a welcome customer. I trade for souls. Everything's for sale.
Oh, sure. What do you have? Okay. Uh-huh. Prevents Estus recovery within a limited area. Meaning preventing using the Estus so you cannot heal? Okay. Well, that may be applied for the enemy, but I believe it will as well apply to us too. Okay. Guidance soapstone, right? Great message. Bottomless box allowing you inventory management at Bonfire. Are we like about to purchase this stuff? Okay, let's check it out. For 1,000 souls, Jesus Christ, allowing inventory management at Bonfire. This one, a key to a residence in the Undead Burg. Simply study design of the locks in the Burg keep out unwanted visitors. Put this standard key in this part and will open several residences. Okay, we can take this. Again, for 1,000 souls, Jesus Christ. Okay. This box allows you to manage your item at the bonfire. Okay, maybe this is much more convenient. Only got like 1,000 souls. Okay. Can check this out first. It's a key, guys. It's important. Oh, okay, so it got nice items here too. How about armors? Okay, they got good armors as well. Oh, okay, we can work that out. Alright.
Things are getting treacherous in these parts. A horrible goat demon has moved in below. And up above, there's that humongous drake and a bull demon too. If you stick around this place, it might end up being your grave.
Thanks for the warning, and thanks for the info.
Here, I'm not here to chit-chat. We talk business, or we talk nothing at all.
Okay.
Thank you kindly.
I'll be coming back to you, sir. Okay. We just purchased the key. Alright, what do we have here? Okay, so there's a stair. Oh my god, okay. It's going back to that room. Okay, well that's awesome. Come here. That's what I hate about being deflected. Okay. My shield is pretty sturdy, you know. That hurts. Okay. Let's go up. This is gonna be the hidden room that we have seen earlier. This should be its rooftop. But let's just check it out. Oh, it is the roof. Okay. Got throwing knives. Will we be able to go down there? Maybe we can jump from here. Oh, well, that's awesome. Okay, let's try this out. If we die, we die. Good lord. Okay. So how about this? If we do, okay, a backstep and we're dead. Okay. Right. No, we're not gonna die. Okay. Jesus Christ. Okay, we did it. Alright, so now we'll be able to get that item. If there is an item. Okay. Okay. So there's nothing else. There should be something up here since by just going to this part is kind of dangerous. Okay. Wow. Okay, so he got the crossbow. That's awesome. We can equip it. That's pretty awesome. And we're losing hands. You only got 2 hands. Okay. Guess we're gonna need to equip bolts too. Okay. So gonna be this. Okay, that's very. I'm not used to having them on the left hand. But we'll just figure that out. Okay, so what do we have? Alright, that's awesome. We just got a crossbow. A light crossbow. A cute crossbow. Okay. Are we supposed to go down here again? Or gonna just try to explore more? Oh, yes. I'm gonna need to go down then. Okay. It's much safer. That's very safer. Just to be safe, guys. Okay. We're good to go. Alright. Okay. We're done on this part too. Okay. Alright. And we do not have fireballs left. We only got 2. Okay. Well, that's manageable. Okay. The controls with the fight is very it's pretty easy since I'm getting used to it a little, and for sure you'll be able to get by with it as you play this game too. The game is not that difficult at the moment, maybe. Where's this part? It's a merchant. Okay, so it's a merchant. Okay. Nothing else to this part. Alright. This is where we came from. Yeah. Okay. So, where are we going anyway? Alright. And so, here we begin. Where are we supposed to go then? Okay, what is this? Enemies are killed. The merchant. Okay. Alright. Yes, I believe we're gonna need to go up there on the right side. Alright. Moving on. There we go. We got companies on that part. And what do we have here? Oh, awesome, the bonfire. Jesus Christ. Okay. Good lord. What do we have here? Alright. Okay. It's a broken way. We cannot go up. Alright. Okay. I believe we're gonna need to wrap this up. So with this one, we were able to find the second bonfire that we can possibly look for on this playthrough. So with this, again, it's been a nice game, and I'm gonna really enjoy this. I hope you two guys are enjoying it. Okay. So with this, time to wrap it up. Once again, my name is Nas. Always saying, the world needs more of you. Always remember that. Okay. And see you on the next vid. Bye bye.